ॐ खानिलाग्न्यब्धरित्यन्तं स्रक्फणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नैष्कर्म्य सिद्धि सेकंड चैप्टर। अहंकार is not the dharma of atma, that is being established up to 45th shloka we saw, page number 76. What is mithyatva of dvaitam? Mithyatvam of dvaitam is other than atma, its siddhi is not there, and atma is swayam siddha. Therefore ahankaradi atmani kalpitaha. We saw up to that. Phalitam aha. What is the result of that? Tasmad ajnana vijrumbitam etat. Etat sarvam ajnana vijrumbitam. All this is the projection of ajnanam alone. दृश्याः शब्दादयः क्लृप्ता द्रष्टृ च ब्रह्म निर्गुणम् अहं तदुभयं बिभ्रत् भ्रान्तिमात्मनि यच्छति। दृश्याः शब्दादयः क्लृप्ता द्रष्टृ च ब्रह्म निर्गुणम् अहं तदुभयं बिभ्रत् भ्रान्तिमात्मनि यच्छति। शब्दादयः दृश्याः क्लृप्ताः द्रष्टृ च निर्गुणं ब्रह्म क्लृप्तम् अहं तद उभयं बिभ्रत् आत्मनि भ्रांतिम यच्छति। शब्दादि they are understood as दृश्य. क्लृप्ताः means कल्पिताः और सिद्धाः. शब्द स्पर्श रूप रस गंध they are दृश्य. ब्रह्म निर्गुण ब्रह्म is द्रष्टृ, द्रष्टा. द्रष्टृ because नपुंसकलिंग. And aham, ahankara supports both. Supports both means it reflects both. Bibrat is given, but you should understand Bibrat here means it reflects. In Ahankara, Brahma is also appearing, and in Ahankara, Vishaya also appears. Vishaya like Kartrutva of Ahankara. So Ahankara has Ahankara, see here. Ahankara has Kartrutva. And Atma does not have Kartrutva, but Ahankara and Atma there, Adhyasa is there, Sambandha takes place. Ahankara has Kartrutva, therefore Atma and Kartrutva both are appearing together, unseparated from Ahankara. Atmani Bhrantim Yachati, and it gives the illusory notion in Atma. Yachati Dadati, it gives as if. Tika. दृश्यत्वेन द्रष्टृत्वेन सत्यत्वेन अनृतत्वेन अत्यंत विविक्तयोर आत्मानात्मनोर वस्तुतः संभेदाभावे अपि अहंकारोपाधौ द्वयोः प्रतिबिंबितत्वात् दृश्यत्वेन इज अनृतत्वेन, द्रष्टृत्वेन इज सत्यत्वेन. द्रष्टा इज सत्य, ब्रह्म. दृश्य इज मिथ्या, अनृत. But both of them, even though they are atyanta vivikta, extremely separate, atyanta viviktayoho atmanatmanoho, one is atma, another is anatma, their combination is not possible. Vastutah sambhed means coming together, huh? It is not to be understood as some upasarga purvaka bheda, samyak bheda. Sambheda means coming together is not possible. Why? Because they are atyanta vivikta, bhinna. Sambheda bhave api ahankaropadhau dvayoho pratibimbitatvat. But in ahankar upadhi, both are appearing, pratibimbita. He gives example for that. Darpan tale प्रतिबिंबित योहो लोहित मुखयोर लोहितम मुखम इति परस्पर संभेद अध्यासवत. In a mirror, darpan, the reflecting medium is reflecting side is called darpana tala. In that, let's say there is some red colored light or fire or something, because of which the redness appears in the mirror, and you are also standing in front of the mirror. So mirror has mukha pratibimba and lohita pratibimba. Pratibimbatayoho lohita mukhayoho. Lohita and mukha both are there. Lohitam mukham. New illusion comes. Lohitam mukham. Iti paraspara sambhed adhyasavat. How that adhyas takes place in the same way. Bhrantyaiva kartruttvadi sambandha pratibhasa ityartha. Because of Bhranti, कर्तृत्वादि संबंध प्रतिभास takes place. So aham karta, in ahankara kartrutva is there and brahma is there, both are appearing in aham, and therefore atma gets the kartrutva pratibhasa. Like aham asau, I am so and so, so I am karta in this way. Because the discussion is why kartrutvam is appearing in atma. Is it dharma of atma? Is it one with atma or completely distinct? If it is belonging to anatma, then why it is appearing in atma? So this is the explanation how it is happening. Tataha, next. Bibhrat, what is a dhatu? Bhrat. Mhm.
दृढ धारणपोषणयोः
भ्री भरणे धातु is there, right?
धारणपोषणयोः स्वामीजी.
धारण पोषण. भ्री भरणे is also there. वादिगण. In
बट शत्रु प्रत्यय भरत स्वामीजी. भ्रू भरणे.
the other dhatu, Shatru Pratyaya is Bibrat. No, Shatru Pratyaya is Bibrat, correct. Bibrat. So Dibri Dharana Poshana Yoho. That is Juhotyadi Gana Dhatu. Further now, Tataha Eva Iyam Abhinnasya Atmano Bheda Buddhihi. Tataha, therefore, this Abhinna Atma gets Bheda Buddhihi. Drigeka Sarvabhuteshu Bhati Drishyairanekavat Jalabhajana Bhedena Mayukhasragvibhedavat Drigeka Sarvabhuteshu Bhati Drishyairanekavat Jalabhajana Bhedena Mayukhasragvibhedavat Sarvabhuteshu Ekadrik Drishyaihi Anekavat Bhati Yatha Jalabhajana Bhedena Mayukhasragvi Bheda or Mayukhasragvi Bhedavat Drik Ekadrik Sarvabhuteshu Anekavat Bhati. Mayukhasragvi. What is Mayukhasragvi?
Garland of peacock.
Not Mayura, Mayukha.
Garland of rays.
Garland of rays. Sragvi, not Srag. Sragvin Pratipadika. Sun. For Surya, Sureshwaracharya ji says Mayukha Sragvi. Because if he uses Surya, then we will not use Buddhi. So he wants to make sure we use it. See, sun is like rays are coming all over out. So it is like somebody is there if they wear the garland and the garland is of rays all around. How sun rays will come. Like that is the sun. Mayukhasragvi. Surya. Jalabhajana Bhedena. Jalapatra. Jalapatra Bheda. If they are there, then how sun appears as many. In the same way, one Drik, Srilinga Shabda, Sarvabhuteshu, दृश्यैः अनेकवत् भाति. In different drishyas, one drashta, Atma, Chaitanya appears as many, like how one sun appears as many in different pots filled with water. न केवलम आत्मन संबंध एव अहम निबंधनः प्रतिदेहम आत्मनो भेदोपि तन्निबंधन एव इत्याह. Not only anatma sambandha, atma gets associated with anatma because of the aham. अनात्मन संबंधः एव अहम निबंधनः न. अहम निबंधनो और निबंधनम यस्मिन् संबंधे. In that sambandha with anatma, aham is the karanam. Not only that, pratideham atmano bhedo api tan nibandhana. Tan nibandhana, what is tat?
Aham Nibandhana.
Aham nibandhana. In each deha also there is variety appearing because of aham. Each appears as different. Tan nibandhana eva ityaha tata eva iyam iti. So shloka we have already seen. Mayukha Stragvi, he says, Rashmi Shali, Rashmi Mali. Rashmi Malin is the Pratipadika. Inithanau. So Rashmi Malin, Mayukha Stragvi, Surya. Antakarana Upadhi Nibandhano Bheda iti atra drashtantantaram aha. He gives different example to show the bheda arising due to antakarana upadhi. Yathoktarthasya pratipattaya drashtantah. So yathoktartha is already how one drashta appears as many. He gave the example of sun and different pots filled with water or receptacles. Now he gives another example to clarify that further. Mitrodasina shatrutvam yathaikasyaanya kalpanat abhinnasya chitestadvat भेदोन्तः करणाश्रयः. मित्रोदासीन शत्रुत्वं यथैकस्यान्यकल्पनात् अभिन्नस्य चितेस्तद्वत् भेदोन्तः करणाश्रयः. मित्र उदासीन शत्रुत्वं यथा एकस्य अन्यकल्पनात्. अन्वय will be like this. यथा एकस्य अन्यकल्पनात् मित्र उदासीन शत्रुत्वं तद्वत् अभिन्नस्य चितेः अंतःकरण आश्रयः भेदः. अंतःकरण आश्रयः अंतःकरणम् आश्रयो यस्य भेदस्य तद्भेदो अंतःकरण आश्रयः. बहुव्रीहि समास means अंतःकरणे आश्रितः. That is the meaning. How one person is there, ekasya purushasya, anyasya kalpanat, anya different people, let's say 4 different people are there. So somebody will look at this one person, Devadatta, as Mitra, somebody Udasina, somebody as Shatru, somebody as something else. So he is one, But Suhrit, Mitra, Ari, Udasina, like that, different people will do Kalpana. In the same way, Chaitanya is one. But the Bheda is because of the Antakarana. Different people's Antakarana, they bring Bheda in that one Abhinna Chaitanya. Abhinnasya Chitehe. Chiti Shabda is Strilinga. But here the usage is in Pullinga. So let's see Tika, it explains. यथैकस्यैव देवदत्तस्य पुरुषांतर कल्पनावशात् मित्र उदासीन शत्रुत्वम. एक देवदत्ता, one devadatta is there, but because of the purushantar kalpana, different people doing kalpana about that person. Somebody takes devadatta as mitra, somebody says he is non-partisan, somebody says he is shatru, somebody thinks something else. Shatrutvam evam abhinnasyapi chaitanyasya. In the same way, chaitanya, which by itself has no divisions, buddhi upadhi nibandhano bhedo. बुद्धि उपाधि निबंधनम यस्मिन् भेदे तद भेदो बुद्धि उपाधि निबंधनः. बुद्धि उपाधि is the कारणम for the भेद in chaitanya. न स्वतः नापि परतः. It is neither due to भेद in chaitanya nor due to anything else. It is buddhi upadhi only. इत्यर्थः. Now he says, Chitehe, so much is clear. This is easy.
Yes, Swamiji.
Anybody else? Clear or not?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes.
Chitehe iti artha vivakshaya dhatu nirdesha. If a dhatu is there, it has to be used in a vakya. Then how will you use? What is the vartik for that? Ikštipau dhatu nirdeshe. Either you have to use ik or tip. Ikštipau dhatu nirdeshe. So like chiti sangyane is a dhatu. Means the dhatu is chit. Chit dhatu, if I want to use in vakya, then how will I say? Chiti. So chiti there is referring to chit dhatu. And that dhatu is to reveal its artha. So he says, Chitehe iti artha vivakshaya dhatu nirdesha. Chitehe, it is referring to the dhatu for its artha. The vivaksha is of the artha. Artha vivakshaya dhatu nirdesha. Because the artha vivaksha is there, therefore the dhatu shabda is pullinga. Chiti shabda may be strilinga. But dhatu nirdesha is there. So tatascha abhinnasya chitehe iti pullinga samabhivyahara upapadyate. Because it chiti dhatu artha, so that dhatu or artha, they are pullinga shabdas. So dhatu nirdesha is there. That's why pullinga, so it is given as chitehe abhinnasya. Otherwise, you have to do shashti of chiti shabda strilinga. That would have been different. Nanu स्वमहिम प्रतिष्ठस्य पूर्णस्य चैतन्यस्य सर्वान्तःकरण प्रतिबिंबितत्वं तद्धर्मवत्वं च अयुक्तम् इति आशंक्याः। स्वमहिम प्रतिष्ठस्य स्वे महिमनि प्रतिष्ठित is Brahma, it is Purna, it is Chaitanya. Of that sarvantakarana pratibimbitatvam tad dharmavatvam cha ayuktam, that it is sarva antakarana pratibimbita, it is pratibimbita in all antakarana and has dharma of all antakarana. This is not appropriate. Iti ashankyaha अपहारो यथा भानोः सर्वतो जलपात्रकैः तत्क्रियाकृति देशाप्तिस् तथा बुद्धिभिरात्मनः। अपहारो यथा भानोः सर्वतो जलपात्रकैः तत्क्रियाकृति देशाप्तिस् तथा बुद्धिभिरात्मनः। जलपात्रकैः सर्वतो यथा भानोः अपहारः तत्क्रियाकृति देशाप्तिश्च तथा बुद्धिभिः आत्मनः अपहारो। भानोः is षष्ठी विभक्ति. Just as the jalapatraka, the receptacles of the water, sarvatah in all cases, bhanoho apahara, they kidnap the sun. Means they bring the sun in the water, make it as a reflection. Then tat kriya kriti deshaptihi. The kriya in the jalapatra will give the kriya in Saurya, in the sun. Then the desha in the jalapatraka will give the notion of desha in sun. And akriti also. Akriti, because if the pot is of different size, different texture, different color, as if the reflection gets some of those attributes. The reflection may not get, but the notion, how we refer to that reflection in that pot, we say that reflection with small pot, reflection with golden pot, reflection with crooked pot, reflection with tall pot. So the pot gets so much importance, not the sun. So tat kriya kriti means akriti and desha. All this. Desha, the localization. It is here. Atma is here, not there. There, not there. Like that. In the same way, atmanaha apaharo buddhibihi. By buddhi, buddhi veda, atma as if it is stolen. And it gets all these kriya kriti desha. यथा स्वदेश नॉट ख स्वदेशस्थस्यैव आदित्यस्य जलपात्रेण स्वगतत्वेन अपहारस् तत्क्रियादिश्च. स्वदेशस्यैव आदित्यस्य, आदित्य which is in the swadesha, it is there in the sky, but because of the jalapatra, jalapatrena swagatattvena apahara. Swagata, swa means jalapatra. Jalapatra gatatve, as if the sun has come down in the jalapatra. Then tat kriyadishya bhavati. Then all the kriya of the jalapatra belongs to sun. As if. Tadvat, in the same way. Swamahima pratisthasyapi chaitanyasya antakarana pratibimbitatvam. The swamahimni pratisthita Brahma is अंतःकरण प्रतिबिंबित. तत्क्रिया तद्गत ध्यानादि क्रिया. बुद्धिगत Tat means buddhi. Buddhigata dhyanadi kriya. Dhyanam means chintanam, not meditation. Any chintanam. Dhyai chintayam. So somebody says, I am thinking about the world problems. I means buddhi is thinking. Tad akritihi. Swachhatva parichinnatwadi. The swachat pot is clean, pot is dirty, pot is divided, or short, tall, etc. etc. And taddeshena hridaya pradeshena cha sambandhascha sambhavati ityartha. And the localization, Atma is local, Atma is somewhere, but doesn't appear everywhere. This is all because of buddhi upadhi. Like how we say very sun, it is in this spot, next spot, next spot. In between, the sun is not available. Here they have given the drishtanta of sun and reflection. If you use the example of Akasha, then different aspects also you can have. Some aspects become clear by sun and its reflection, Pratibimbavada. Some aspects become clear by Avachedavada. Nanu sarvabhuteshu eka eva ched atma, tarhi tasya yugapad eva paraspar viruddha, sukha dukha raga dvesha bhranti samyak jnanadi ashrayatvam prasajyata. If there is one Atma in all bhuta, then simultaneously paraspar viruddha, sukha dukha raga dvesha bhranti samyak jnanam, all mutually contradicting things should all take place in one. Prasajyeta tacha anupapannam, but that doesn't happen. Tat katham uktam drigeka sarvabhuteshu iti. Then how do you say there is one drig, Chaitanya, in all bhuta, if such mutually reflecting things, mutually contradicting things should be there in one, but they are not, and they cannot be there. Tatraha na cha viruddha iti. न च विरुद्ध धर्माणाम एकत्र अनुपपत्तिः. विरुद्ध धर्माणाम एकत्र अनुपपत्तिः न. What does this mean?
Viruddha dharmas cannot be on the same adhikaranam. They cannot appear together in the same.
Viruddha dharmas can be there in one location.
Atma cannot be.
See, viruddha dharmanam ekatra anupapattihi na means upapattihi, he says. Contradictory dharmas can exist in one locus. Normally, how do we say? Contradictory dharmas cannot exist in one locus, right? Sureshwaracharya says contradictory dharmas can exist in one locus because they all are mithya. So many mithya things can exist in one place. What is the problem? All kalpita. See, what is his sentence? Nacha viruddha dharmanam ekatra anupapattihi. Viruddha dharma in one place cannot exist is not true. Means they can exist. This is where the Acharya's unique thing is, right? If everyone says one way, he will say it differently. and still not contradicting with the main message. King Karanam, what is the Karanam? कल्पितानाम वस्तुत्वात् स्यादेकत्रापि संभवः कमनीया शुचिः स्वाद्वी एकस्यामिव योषिति कल्पितानाम वस्तुत्वात् स्यादेकत्रापि संभवः कमनीया शुचिः स्वाद्वी एकस्यामिव योषिति। ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः।